What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. And today, man, I'm working on getting some new build to the channel to, for me to have some content on the channel. So right now, I'm about to head out and go take care of that. But I'm going to document the whole thing, either the whole thing or most of it, uh, as best as I can. But I see you guys on the other end. Alright guys, I'm heading out right now to go check out this car, but before I do, I'm going to stop by the store real quick, grab me a drink, and then I'm going to hop on the bus and be on my way.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Alright guys, it's around 9-10 hours later. Been a long day, man, a very long day. I apologize I couldn't get any footage of my interaction with the seller, but everything went well and I got the car. But like I said, it's been a long day, a very long day. And again, I didn't capture any footage. The only footage I have is the tow truck dropping off the car. Alright guys, I'm tired. My feet hurts, my back hurt. I'm just gonna call it a night. I have more footage for you guys in the morning. Here's a little clip of the tow truck dropping off the car.
2 weeks later.
I sold the Cadillac and I got a new whip. Technically, it's not a new whip. It's not new, but it's actually broken. Not completely broken, but it's an auction car. And the door is damaged. The rear back suspension, passenger side behind me, the suspension is damaged. It needs to be fixed. I already ordered the parts and all that to get that done. I'm just waiting in like the next week or two to get those parts, and then begin the process. This is a BMW. If you guys haven't noticed yet, it's a BMW. I've never worked on a BMW before, and I know a little bit about changing tire, changing oil, spark plugs, like the basic of just mechanical work on a car. But I'm not that advanced, so I will be taking the car to a shop to have them work on it. Sorry if my hand's in the way. But I will be taking the car to a shop, to a professional shop, to have them work on it, because I don't really know any mechanics like that, like anybody that I could choose where like the labor and the price of getting the car fixed is going to be cheaper. So I don't have any mechanic friends. If you're in my area, I'm in Staten Island, New York, hit me up. If you see this video and if you happen to run into watch one of my videos on YouTube, hit me up, man. I need some mechanic friends, because this stuff could get expensive. It get really expensive fast. But I got the car at a good price. I'm not going to tell you guys how much I paid yet, excuse me, until the work on the car is completely done. But it doesn't have that much of miles. It's under 100,000 miles, so which is good. So the suspension behind me is damaged. The door is also damaged, but not that bad. So I ordered new doors. The regulator in the door also, the door handle also, that needs to be replaced. The steering wheel is kind of like, it's very heavy. It's almost like it feels like it's locked. So that needs to be fixed as well. But that's basically it. Other than regular maintenance that needs to be done in the car, that's basically all the issues that's with the car right now. So I just want to update you guys on that, on the situation, because I haven't had any content like really to upload, and I'm going to be going back and forth with car content and like electronic stuff like cell phones, because this is a tech channel. It's called Urban Tech. So I'm going to review anything relating to tech, and sometimes I'm just going to make a regular video about my life, a little vlog here and there about what's going on in my life and what I got going on and whatnot, if I want to share that information with you guys. But do me a favor, if you watch any of my videos, help your boy out, subscribe. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys a little snippet of what the inside of the car looks like, and then a little bit of what the outside looks like. All right. Okay, this is what the car looks like. See, I told you the issue with the windows. You got the panorama sunroof, moonroof, whatever you want to call it. The seats are decent. Everything actually works well in here. I'll show you guys the outside, but like I said, everything works well. There's some light on the dash because the car was involved in an accident. Like I said, it's a auction car. I picked it up at a good price. So yeah, this is the outside. This is what it looks like. Show you more. For now, this is the damage right there on the door. I gotta get the door replaced. But with the wheels, everything else is fine. The damage is just there. This is the back, and the damage is right here. The mean damage, very expensive. Okay, I think they took my center cap. I took it to a shop to get it looked at. They took my the BMW center cap, but that's it. A few days later, I took the car to a mechanic shop to see what the issue really was. I knew it was something with the control arms. That's why the wheels were bent inward like that. But the mechanic that looked at the car told me that I needed to replace my control arms because either one of the control arms were bent. So I went and got a second opinion from another mechanic, and he was able to jack up the car. He didn't have a lift like the shop does. He was able to jack up the car with his jack, and the only thing that was bent was a little bracket. I'm gonna put that little picture up for you guys to see what the bracket was. Here it is. This is the bracket that was bent. But I ended up wasting a lot of money buying parts that I really didn't need to buy. But nonetheless, I changed those parts anyway. And I went up on Facebook Marketplace to find a BMW mechanic because it was really difficult for me to find one in my area. But I found a guy who's coming by like in a couple of days to get the job done for me at a cheaper price. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.